Hello everyone, my name is Brian Alderman and welcome to my course, Managing Authentication in Microsoft 365. I'm a Microsoft MVP. I'm an MCT, a Microsoft Certified Trainer for 22 consecutive years, so I've got lots of training under my belt. I'm an author of 4 published books. I'm a speaker at several SharePoint and Office 365 conferences around the world, and I'm a trainer and consultant at my own company called MicroTechPoint. After creating a tenant and synchronizing your users from on-premises to Microsoft 365, it's important to protect your data. The process of authentication is used to allow or deny users access to your content. In this course, you'll learn about the different types of authentication available with Microsoft 365, including modern, cloud identity, and federated identity authentication methods. You'll also learn about multi-factor authentication and how to implement it in Microsoft 365. In this course, we are going to introduce and discuss an introduction to authentication methods, determining what authentication method is right for your organization, and configuring multi-factor authentication. By the end of the course, you'll understand which authentication methods you can choose from and considerations for each of these methods, how to implement your authentication method of choice, and specifically how to implement the powerful multi-factor authentication method available in Microsoft 365. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with your organization's Microsoft 365 deployment, have a general understanding of Microsoft 365 functionality, and know the types of users accessing your content to help make the best decision on implementing authentication for your users accessing Microsoft 365. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Microsoft 365 authentication methods with my Managing Authentication in Microsoft 365 course available here at Pluralsight.